What is linear programming problem? Linear programming problems are an important class of the optimization problem that helps to find the feasible reasons and optimize a solution in order to have the highest and lowest value of the function. Why is LPP used? LPP is helpful in developing and solving decision-making problems by the mathematical techniques. The problem is generally given in a linear function which needs to optimize the subject to a set of different constants. Where LPP is used, it is one of the most important operations research tool. It is widely used as a decision making aid in almost all industries. There can be various fields of the application of LPP in the various economic areas of economic, computer science, mathematics, etc. What are the steps in LPP? Understand the problem, describe the objectives, define the decision variables, write the objective function, describe the constraint, write the constant in terms of decision variables, add the non-negative constant, maximize. Properties of linear programming: decision variables, objective function, constants, non-negativity, additivity, divisibility, deterministic or certainty, finiteness. Why is LPP called linear? Linear programming consists of linear inequality and a linear function, and it has extensive use in combinatorial optimizations. For these reasons, it is called linear programming. What are the type of solution in linear programming problems? There are two ways of solving linear programming problems: geometrical method and algebraic method. A particular LPP is either a minimizations or a maximizations problem. What is the formulas for LPP? Thus, an LPP can be stated mathematically as maximize or minimize. X is equal to ax plus by, subject to the condition where ai x plus by which is less than or equal to, greater than equal to, or equal to is greater than or less than. Which conditions are these conditions are used? Ci, where I equal to 1 to n, and the third one is the non-negative restrictness. The non-negativity values are x is greater than equal to 0 or y is greater than equal to 0. Different type of linear programming problems: manufacturing problems, diet problem, transportation problem, optimal assignment problems. Here is the linear programming problems types and their constant objective functions. Manufacturing problem: the constant is variables such as the cost of packing materials, work hours, and so on, and the objective function is production rate. Diet problems: the constant is specified the nutritional requirement, and objective function is cost of food consumption. Transportation problems: the constant is unique patterns of supply and demands. Objective function is transportation cost. Optimal assignment problems: the constraint is work hours of each employee, number of employees, and so on, and objective function is total number of tasks completed. There are also advantages and disadvantages of LPP. Here is the advantages of LPP is best use of use of our productive assist, best use of manpower, improve decision quality, provide the practically solution, modification of mathematical solution is possible, highlight the bottlenecks and disadvantages of LPP. Objective functions and constant must be linear. No guarantee of getting integer value solution. Uncertainty and time effects are not considered. Large scale problems cannot be always be solved. Deals with only one objective. LP's parameters are assumed to be constant, but in reality they are neither constant nor deterministic.